talent. I mean, not just in terms of size. He would write poetry for Jada Pinkett Smith they were making. We would be all right. Have you seen some of the churches lately? Hoard the wealth in this tax-free haven. He says, these underserved kids ain't God's children to pray over the president. He's not doing that. Doesn't mean he's not doing God's work. And that's our job. Spark somebody else. Which Tupac was a very complicated person. And maybe in some people's opinion, yeah, to a degree I would say.